This is Pablo Carrasco from FPnibs.com. I would like to show you how to change a TWSBI VAC 700 nib for a Jowo number 6 nib. We have these nibs, the Jowo nibs, at FPnibs.com in steel, in 14 carats and 18 carats. They are the same size than the TWSBI nib, so we can swap them easily. We are going to hold both the feeder and the nib together and pull out. It comes quite easily. Alright, we are going to keep this feeder because Jowo feeders are not the same than TWSBI feeders, so we are going to use only the nibs. Here I have a steel nib that we have engraved with letters. We can engrave from 1 to 3 letters in a nib, or we can engrave also some drawings or logos. To put all together again, we're going to hold both together, align very well the feeder with the nib. Okay, and we have to search the right position with the nib with the housing, because it has a flat surface on the feeder and it has to match with the housing. So by turning a little bit the housing, alright, here we go, you will find that at the moment it comes in very easily, and at last we hold both together and push it harder. Alright, and here it is, a TWSBI with a TWSBI VAC 700 with a Jowo nib. We have the steel in a lot of different tip sizes, and also some platings, as well as the solid gold nibs. We have a lot of tip sizes and platings. So if you want some of these nibs, you can enter FPnibs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.